Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a market update for Tuesday, March 29, 2022. So we only have 2 more days left in the month of March. So the market it continue to push it up to the upside, as you can see here at this moment. I think that the February 24, 2022, the market be able to find the bottom, and now we are market high and high low and continue to the upside. So at this point, the momentum is still bullish, and we will head up to some level of resistance here. Let's see how the market be able to handle when they get back to this area here. Even though we will have some minor pullback, but the overall trend is still strong here. So definitely the market it found the bottom here and continue to find a way to put it up in the future here. So let's see the market be able to do that, and then we can head up and try to test the high and then continue to the upside again on the month April. And if you look at the NQ, it also pretty strong after the breakdown and continue to push it up to the upside. As you can see here, we have some resistance here in the next couple of days here. Let's see how the market is going to handle the pivot level here. The Dow is also be able to continue break out and hold up and continue to the upside. So all of the major indices is still strong and push it up to the upside. One very important sector, the index, that the RTY, with the Russell 2000. This one is be able to finally be able to break out the level of support here before, now become resistant. So today they be able to punch through that level. So this is a good sign of a lot of small cap stock they be able to turn around, which is a very healthy for the overall market. So if this one it can hold up well here, we will continue to put it up to the upside also. If you look at the crude oil, is still volatile. Okay, they put it back up, but they failed to make to the sell zone here. So the momentum it put it back down. So they will be in the choppy mode for a while here before they can find another direction, either up or continue to put it down here. Like I warning you on the Sunday, so you have to watch out for this level here because this is the sell zone there. Gold is also up and down. Okay, they cannot get back to this level after they failed to make it high here. So now they are sideways, but they still have strong support here, so they will up and down here. And watch out for this level of resistance up here also. If you look at the euro, it also try to rebound a little bit. Okay, so after the peace negotiation between Ukraine and Russia, if that one something can happen, that will help the euro to stabilize and find more room to put it to the upside here. If you look at the let me see here, the Bitcoin is already break out the level of resistance here. So right now they go sideways. So but the trend is still up, so they will find a way to continue to put it up to the upside also. Ethereum it also break out the level of resistance, so they hold up here and looking for momentum to put it up again. Now if you look at the volatility index, like I told you, this one it helped the market it stabilize here after they shoot up to 38 area here, and now they slam it down to the downside. So as long as they can stay low here, the market will be less volatile, and it will help the stock market to stabilize and continue to the upside there. If you look at the 10-year Treasury note, which is the interest rate, you see today they also hit to the level of resistance, so they failed to make higher. So if this one they give you a bearish formation here, so if they can cool it down, that will help the inflation a little bit there. Now let's take a look on the overall market. You can see that a lot of big cap stock they have been doing well, especially like Apple. Okay, I know that many of you that scare the market it will continue to go lower, but when the market found a support here on the index, and I told you the market it tried to turn around here, and if you miss the chance right now, you already give up almost 30 points. Okay, for yet only 2 weeks there, and look at Amazon, it still have room to crawl back up to the upside. Microsoft, it also put it up to the upside. Google, okay, they turn it up fast. They have some resistance here. Let's see if they can stabilize and find a way up. Even Netflix is the one that fall apart here, but they are still trying to find a way to put it up also. So as long as the market continues to put up, the leader here still continue to put the market up to the upside, and you can see a lot of small cap stock they'll be able to turn around like electric vehicle, truck here. So those things that they bottom out and looking for to turn around also. Now let's take a look on the 11 sector of SP 500 to see where they at. The first one is XLB. As you can see here, this sector we told you long time ago. Now they break out and continue to put it up. They still have room to get to the sales on there. The communication service it break out, and now they find a way to put it up to upside. The energy sector they failed to punch to the sales on, so now they pull back down. Let's see how things work out, depend on the situation between Russia and Ukraine there. Financial, it also shoot it up, but they have some resistance here, so they pull back a little bit, but overall trend is still put it up to the upside. The industrial is also another strong one. They be able to file the support and continue to make it high on the next move to the upside there. The technology definitely is the one that be able to work out and have a strong move. If we can clear this area here, they will continue to push it to the upside. The consumer table is also pretty strong here. They also break out the downtrend line here. Momentum put it back in, and still have room to move to the upside again. And one of the next one is the utility sector is also pretty strong. They be with strong buy here, break out with a cup handle and continue to the upside there. The XLV also continue to push it up to the upside. As you can see, continue to have high low. The trend is still uptrend there. The XLY, that's another one. Consumer discretionary. This one is they drop from 214 down to almost like 162 now. They come back pretty strong here, so you can see that most of the sector here they be able to turn around and then put it up very fast here. And one sector that also doing extremely well, that's the real estate sector. You can see that they build a nice couple handle and breakout, and today they take up after the breakout of the couple handle formation here. And you can see here some of the stock or the ETF they doing very well here, like INVS for example. Right, so this one here they make a nice base. Now they pull back a little bit and try to get out here and put it to the high, to the upside. The next one I can show you here, ACC. That's another ACC. Okay, so this one here is also a lot of campus community. They also try to find a way to break out this area here. Another one like CPT for example. Okay, so they'll talk it ready to break out another cup handle pattern here, so you can monitor if they break out here, they will take up again. Like FPGI for example. Okay, so that's another talk here. You got a big base. Okay, they come back, they pull back a little bit, now they break out, so the momentum is still in the upside. Okay, so that's some of the stock in the real estate sector. They try to turn around, so monitor it so you can see where they're heading to. So if you look at the overall market, as you can see, the market it try to turn around, as you can see, but sooner or later we will hit to the resistance area here, and maybe we're looking for some kind of pullback before they can find another momentum to go and then to break out this area and test the all-time high here, and probably we can have more room to put it up to 5,100. So let's wait and see, but seems like the market is bottom out on the February 24. Now we are head up north, and we just monitor careful, and then to see how the market is moving, and then we will inform you on the weekly and the daily video there. So if you follow me, you can see that we have been called out the market bottom here, and then after breakout continue the upside. So the bottom line I want to say here, you trade what you see. You should not listen to the news or listen to a lot of people out there. They only scare you that the market will go down deeper to 3,000 level, but that's not the case. The market will show you everything on the chart. If you know how to read the chart by using a technical analysis, you'll be able to tell where the market heading to. Yet don't ignore all the news out there, okay, that scare you, and then you miss a lot of opportunity when the market turn around, and a lot of people give up, but that's where the market is turn around, and then they turn up to the upside. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis, and don't forget to click the thumb up like button below, and I will see you on a Thursday video market update. Take care, everyone.